In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom email using your domain with Host. This is a fantastic way to enhance your brand presence and create a more professional appearance when communicating online. Having an email address that matches your domain lends an air of credibility, and this straightforward process will have you set up in just a few minutes. Let's start by heading over to Hostinger's website. If you haven't already signed into your account, now is the time to do so. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard and focus on the sidebar. Here you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in right now is emails. Go ahead and click on it. This is where your journey begins. With the email section open, your next step is to locate the Manage button. Clicking this will take you into the management dashboard for your emails. It may seem a bit daunting at first, but with a bit of guidance, everything will start to make sense. In the dashboard, you'll want to find and click on Mailboxes. This section allows you to view and manage all existing mailboxes associated with your domain. To create a new custom email, locate and click on the Create a Mailbox option. For those who only need one email address, you'll find this process quick. However, if you're planning to create multiple mailboxes, you might consider hitting Upgrade for more options. Now, let's take care of the technical details by connecting your domain. You'll click on Connect Domain and follow on-screen instructions to verify and link your domain properly. Make sure that your domain and email hosting are in sync to avoid any issues later on. This step often involves some domain settings and may require patience as these changes propagate. Once everything is connected, navigate back to Mailboxes once more. This is where you can easily access the email accounts you've created. To actually use your new email, you will click on Webmail. This step is essential as it brings you closer to sending and receiving emails through your custom domain. Finally, you're at the login page. Click Login and voila, you are now inside your custom email interface. From here, you can manage your inbox, set up new messages, and navigate through settings to optimize your email experience further. Now you have your custom email all set up and ready to use. Whether you need it for professional correspondences, customer support, or just to maintain a consistent brand image, this new address will serve you well. Remember, taking these steps not only boosts your professionalism, but also enhances security by keeping everything under your own brand's domain. Enjoy your new email, and happy emailing.